Hello everyone! How are you? Can you guess what letter we're going to learn this week? Yes, it's letter K. What sound does letter K make? K, K, K. You're right. This time, you are going to guess the pictures that start with letter K. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, look at the picture. Can you guess what is it? You're right. King. K, king. Now let's see another picture. What is this picture? Yes, key. Key. Now let's see, what is this picture? Koala, amazing. Koala. What is this? Yes, kangaroo. Kangaroo. What about this picture? Wonderful. It's kite. Kite. So, the words that we saw that start with letter K are kangaroo, king, key, koala, and kite. Now it's your turn to think of more words that start with letter K. See you later, my friends.